1.09, and I'm going to count 10 seconds, no, 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5, I think, or I'm going to count 5, no, I think 5 is much better. 5 6 7 8 8 8, okay. Control D, and here also oops, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and I'm going to add zoom keyframe here and here. Oops, and here and here. Okay, now you can see our file is like this. Zoom in like that. It's much better. Okay. 4.8, I think. Yeah, 4.8. Okay, yeah, it's automatically keyframes like that. Okay, now I'm going to ease in all of this. Right, close this. Oops. Here, okay, like that. Nice. Okay, now let's see what had happened. Right. Oops. Right, now I'm going to add zoom blur here and also here. Okay. In this case I'm going to keyframe zoom blur strength only. Okay, here I'm going to add another keyframe all the way up. Okay, in this I'm going to add keyframe all the way up. That's this, like this, and all the way down. Okay, let's see. Okay, now in here I can add a video transition blur dissolve to this point. Okay, let's see. Oops, it's nervous. I'm going to add smooth cut. Let's see. Oops, it's nervous. Blur dissolve again. Going to decrease duration to 1. Nice. Start on edits. Right. Here can adjust this and Okay, subclip, nice. Here I see this reverse option is not useful. Okay, that's the way how we can create custom zoom transition.